Hello children, welcome to the online teaching session of class 5 English literature. Today I will give you the question answers of the lesson Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint, lesson number 6, and word meanings and some exercises which are given in the book. So the question number 1 is, what made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? The answer is, prints of toes and heels made Robinson Crusoe think that it was a footprint. Why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? Answer is, Robinson was afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees because he was mistaking them to be a man. Question number 3. Why did Robinson pray when he saw the footprint? The answer is, he prayed for protection from savages when he saw the footprint. Now, word meanings. Savages means wild people in primitive states. Mainland, large continuous extent of land. Wandered, go from place to place without a definite route. Bolder, more confident, inhabited, occupied or dwelled in. I have written only one, you can also write only one. Now choose the correct answers are given in the book, Marigold book. You can see them. Robinson ran back to his home as fast he could because I have written only answers here, was afraid. Second one, he could not sleep because there was an animal outside his cave. He thought savages had come from the mainland. His bed was uncomfortable. So the second one is correct. He thought savages had come from the mainland. Third, tick the correct. Why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint? 3 answers are given. It did not look like a human footprint. It looked smaller than his. Third one, he had not come to this part of the beach in a long time. So the third one is correct. He had not come. Robinson Crusoe on a boat, in a town, alone on an island, on an aeroplane. So which one is correct? Third one, alone on an island, is correct. And one, rearrange the jumble words I had given. First one answer is already printed in the book. Second one is, the island was inhabited. So the rest I will give tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.